Live live na live and alive dito pa rin sa Isla ng Paraiso ang Boracay Island. Lumipad ang aming team para magsaliksik at mag-imbestiga dito sa Isla ng Paraiso ang Boracay. Kung kaya tatanungin natin yung ating mga turista dito na nagbakasyon kung magkano ba yung kanilang nagastos dito sa pagpunta nila sa isla. Ready na kayo? Kasi hindi talaga ako ready. Nahihiya talaga ako magtanong-tanong sa mga strangers dito. But I will try na kausapin sila kung papayagan nila tayo magpa-video. Islanders, meron tayong dalawang napakagandang dilag na ating i-interviewin for a bit. Kung how much ba yung mga nagagastos ng mga turista dito kapag pumupunta sila ng Boracay Island. Anong pangalan mo?
Cheriza po. Selena.
So how much ba sa tingin nyo yung gagastusin ng mga turista dito if ever na pupunta sila ng Boracay Island?
Like mga more than 50?
50?
Anong ilang days po na stay?
Depende. Kayo ba? How much yung nagastos nyo dito for like how many days?
4 days and 3 nights lang kasi kami. So mga mga 60 to 80 like that.
60,000 to 80,000 for 3 nights?
For 4 days and 3 nights. Depende sa
activities.
Yes.
So parang kasama na yun lahat. So rooms, yung accommodation, activities, kung how many days yung stay nyo plus the mga gala-gala.
Yes.
Okay, dito tayo sa isa. Hello! Hi! Pwede ba namin kayo ma-interview for a while?
Sure.
Anong pangalan?
Adrian.
So how much ba yung costing or nagastos mo dito sa pagpunta mo sa Boracay Island?
Well, going here alone, aside from the ticket, siguro with everything na, the expense, siguro it's about 20 to 30.
20 to 30,000.
Yes.
For how many days yan?
Actually, I've been here from October 12 and I'll be home by October 18, so 6 days.
Not bad, di ba? At
Yes, I think it's so good na kasi parang ako lang naman gumagastos ako pagka kailangan ko ng food or like I want to eat out. Pero other than that, I think there's no more expense naman na unnecessary here. Yeah.
para sa is it expensive yung 20 to 30k na costing dito sa Boracay for like 6 days?
Well, it's expensive pero sulit siya. It's worth it.
Yeah, sabi ko sa mga Islanders, if ever na magbabakasyon kayo dito, hindi naman masyadong mahal sa Boracay for as long as mag-ipon lang kayo, di ba?
Yes, kaya pag-ipunan nyo guys before kayo pumunta dito.
Oh, hi! I'm Jamil. What's your name?
Finest China.
I'm Migueles po.
I'm Mark. And I'm Paul.
Okay, so tatanungin na natin itong napakagandang magbabarkada kung how much ba yung nagastos nila dito sa Boracay Island. Kinakabahan ako pero let's try. You?
Saan ba sa accommodation? Sa lahat.
Like, lahat na yun with the activities, lahat, yung
The
stay.
entire thing, we probably spent like 700,000 pesos or 800? 800K.
OMG.
Kasama na yung
Why
food
is
doon,
that?
lahat.
Bakit naman?
Well, it's 15 of us. Yung family ko, sinama ko lahat dito with the flights and everything. Siguro abot ng 800.
Okay, with the family naman. So for me, I think not bad na yun. At nakastay pa kayo sa...
Shangri-La and Henan.
Yun naman pala, Shangri-La. So hindi na tayo magtataka mga Islanders. How about you?
Kasama ko lang din sila.
Magkakasama pala sila you.
Yun na.
Magkakasama pala sila sa their family. Happy family! Dito ako ngayon sa may Station 2. So kanina nandun tayo sa may Station 1. So yung kanina na interview natin, grabe, umaabot ng 700 to 800,000 pesos yung kanya nagastos. Grabe, ang laki nun, no? Pero for me naman, okay lang yun kasi family naman yung kasama. And I think like 15 packs sila at saka sa Shangri-La pa rin sila na nakastay. So not bad for 700 to 800 pesos for me. Siguro naman kung meron din akong pera, di ba, why not? Gagastos ko rin yung family ko, ako, yung mga barkada ko sa trip. Kasi once in a lifetime lang naman yun eh. Hindi naman araw-araw gumagastos ka ng ganong kalaking halaga. At saka Boracay na to, di ba, mga Islanders. Baka naman may gustong magpa-interview. Hi, what's your name?
Nin.
Sorry, Lynn?
Nin.
Where are you from?
Singapore.
Wow, I love Singaporean. So Lynn, my question to you is, how much did you spend in your Boracay trip?
Maybe 1,500, like together with all the package and the hotel stay as well. Yeah,
Is it for like $1,000 or 1,000 pesos?
$1,500.
$1,500. For how many days is that?
5 days.
5 days. So that's for all total package, like with accommodation,
Yeah.
your...
Flight tickets and also the activities, the foods, everything. Yeah.
And how many days is that for your stay here?
5 days. Yeah.
5 days.
Yeah.
Oh, not bad, right?
Yeah.
1,500 for 5 days. And how many are you?
3 hours.
Three.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, all my
Hi, what's your name?
so my name is Mary.
And your name?
Kai.
Wow, you guys are from Singapore.
Same.
Oh, nice to meet you. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so
I appreciate it. Time check mga Kailanders, it's 5:50 in the afternoon. So 10 minutes na lang maggagabi na, but unfortunately, wala po tayong nakitang sunset for today. I'm so sorry about that, but maybe next time makikita nyo rin yung napakagandang sunset dito sa Boracay Island. However, tuloy pa rin yung ating pananaliksik, di ba? Makahanap lang tayo ng mga turista na pwede nating tanungin if how much ba yung cost nila dito sa pagpunta sa Boracay Island. Let's go! Okay mga Kailanders, andito na tayo sa ating, pangilan na ba to? 6 or 7? 5. And your name is?
Ron.
Hi Ron. Your name is?
Dave.
Hi Dave, nice meeting you. So, the 1 million question, Char. How much ba yung nagagastos ng mga turista dito kapag pumupunta sila ng Boracay Island? Like kayo, how much yung estimated costing?
More or less 30K.
Oh?
Dalawa na kami.
Dalawa na kayo?
Round trip ticket na yun with usually 4 days, 4 nights, 5 days na hotel accommodation.
Wow, not bad. Yung 30K, no?
30K, pero yun, lamon to the max na yun. Walang limit sa kain.
With the activities na yun?
We don't, may activities, may extra, pero since 8 times na namin to sa Bora, hindi na kami nag-activity. Pero pag may activity, may extra din.
Pero let's say for example, yung isama natin yung activities, yung accommodation, yung lamon to the max, tapos konting pasyal-pasyal, mga how much kayong estimated costing?
45 siguro.
45,000.
Magandang hotel na siguro. Magandang hotel naman na.
Nice. Saan ba kayo nakastay ngayon?
Ngayon, lang kami sa Boracay Summer Palace.
At din sa may station 2. Maganda din mga Kailanders, you can check it out, di ba?
Yes, maganda.
Alright mga Kailanders, what's your name?
I'm Amelia.
And?
I'm Bastian,
Wow, where are you guys from?
We're from Denmark.
and also Denmark.
Oh, I'm from the Philippines. The question is, how much do you think would be you spend here in Boracay Island for your entire stay here?
I think we estimate that we're going to spend around $50 a day.
A day, like for the entire stay. How many days you're staying here?
Staying here
4
4
days.
days.
4
For 4
days.
days,
And what do you think is the approximate costing for 4 days, like with the accommodation, the food, and the water adventure?
A day we're going to spend $50, so that's like 200 for food and activities.
200.
Yeah, and then accommodation will be like, how much?
I think we're doing about $15 for
Accommodation.
a night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. And where do you guys stay?
We're staying at Hotel Sofia.
Oh, that was quite far, but that's a nice hotel. There's
Yeah,
like a
yeah.
nice, infinity pool with a nice
And
view.
there's free shuttle bus to the town, so we can go have for free by the bus. Yeah.
That's not bad, mga Kailanders. You guys can check it out, the Hotel Sofia. They have Facebook account called Hotel Sofia.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Nice meeting you. So what's your name?
Jim.
You?
Jay.
So how much ba yung nagastos ninyo dito sa Boracay Island for your entire stay? Estimated lang.
10K plus, ganon.
10K for how many days yun?
3 days, 2 nights.
3 days, 2 nights, 10K. Kasama na ba doon yung mga food, yung water activities?
Hindi pa.
What if isama natin lahat-lahat na yung food, yung activities, yung mga gala? For like 3 days yun, ano?
Oo, 3
At
days.
saka, O, yung pamasahe nyo din.
Abot mga 50, may 670, gano'n.
60.
Gimmick namin. May kasama kasi kami mga tropa. Hindi lang namin kasama ngayon.
Ilan ba kayo dito?
Bali, 14 ba? 13. 13.
Lahat lalaki?
Oo, lahat. Dalawa babae.
Ay, nice. So, bali 60 to 70K for 3 days na yon. Kasama na lahat, hotel accommodation.
Sama na lahat. Mga 70.
Yung sasama lahat ng gimmick. Kasi isang gimmick namin, umaabot kami ng 30K.
Pero sabihin natin na more than mga 150,000 for like 3 days.
Aabot. Pero hindi naman kami yung gumagasa sa amin. kami. Kasama kami.
May kasama kayo. Okay. Pero not bad yun Imagine 14 people kayo, tapos yung 150, okay na yun. Parang budgeted na yun, no? At ayun na nga, hulas na ang inyong Disney princess. Nasaksihan na ninyo mga Kailanders yung ating mga turista na na-interview. Ay, sorry po, pasensya na po. Dito sa isla ng Boracay Island, kung how much ba yung mga nagastos nila dito sa kanilang stay or for their entire stay dito sa isla ng Boracay Island. Kayo, tanungin ko kayo, how much ba sa tingin nyo, if ever, na pupunta kayo ng Boracay Island, yung magagastos ninyo if ever? Kasi may 700,000, may 30,000, may 150,000, may 20,000. So kayo, how much kaya yung magagastos ninyo dito sa Boracay Island if ever na pupunta kayo? Ang mga katanungan ay nasa inyo. Anong pangalan?
Sai po.
Edad?
29.
Pangalan?
Christian po.
Age?
27 po.
Kailan nakalaya? Char. Pangalan?
Jake.
Ilang taon?
23.
Single?
Single.
Perfect. Single din ako. Guys, dito ko na po tatapusin yung ating vlog. Kakain muna kami dito sa Hama Japanese Restaurant. Paborito ko siyang restaurant kasi masarap dito. So, message me sa ating Facebook, Instagram account if ever na naghahanap kayo ng mga water sports activities dito sa Boracay Island. Again, Luxury Sports po yung ating travel agency dito. So, paalam!